Amit says that you riders will be fine. All riders, the purpose of making this video is to teach you how to file a simple accident report. This will enable you to effectively manage everyday situations involving minor accidents, ensuring you are prepared to address them appropriately without encountering significant complications or additional issues. Nothing happens to you and nothing happens to the other party, but it's necessary to report the accident. This video will be helpful for you in that. Many riders still do not know how to file a simple accident report. First of all, they need to be informed about the necessary steps. You need to download the Dubai Please app from the Play Store. After downloading the Dubai Please app, you need to open it, then their front page will open in front of you. When you scroll through the entire page and navigate all the way to the bottom, you will initially encounter a section that is labeled Most Used and specifically titled as Dubai Simple Accident Report. When you click on this, the next page will open. At the very end, the next option will appear. When you select the next option, on the next page, 6 different options will appear and be displayed clearly before you. First, you need to accurately input and add the single plate number that you are currently using for your bike. Second, ownership of the vehicle. When you open this, 2 options will be given. The first option will be yes, meaning you please indicate whether you are indeed the owner of the bike or car you currently possess, or if you are not the owner. Selecting the second option, which is labeled no, signifies that you do not hold ownership of the vehicle in question. Since all of you have been provided with a company bicycle for your transportation needs, you are required to select no in this section, thereby indicating that you do not possess your own personal vehicle or car. Then the third option will be for the license number. You need to correctly add your license number. The fourth option is your picture of the damage. If your vehicle has any damage, such as some parts of the car breaking, you are required to add pictures of the damage here. You are required to complete this task by thoughtfully adding up to 4 images. The fifth option that will be presented to you is titled, Is your vehicle liable? Whether your vehicle is responsible for the accident or not, or whether you are responsible or not, the appropriate actions will be taken when you open this specific option. Then 3 options will be provided. The first is that you are responsible for this accident. The second option is no, or you are involved in this accident. You have suffered some form of damage or injury. The third possible explanation is that you experienced a different kind of accident altogether, which led to your current condition. That is to say, a car came along, hit you, and then drove away, yet you have no awareness of what happened. So in this context, you specifically need to take that into consideration when evaluating the situation. If you are determined not to be responsible for the accident and as a consequence your vehicle has been significantly affected by the incident resulting in damages to you, then it is necessary for you to select option number 2. Alright, now you need to evaluate the specific circumstances of that situation carefully to determine which selected option best applies to you, whether you are liable or not, or if you have experienced some other type of accident. So at the 5th number, your primary mobile number will appear below, which should be your active mobile number at that time, your own mobile number where messages are received. You need to add your mobile number. So my dear brothers, please watch this video carefully so that you do not have any problems about this thing in the future and you don't have to keep dealing with it repeatedly. You might have to call someone. Thank you very much.